Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, March 25, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am very well, thank you. And you?
I am very tired. I did not sleep well last night.
I am sorry to hear that. Why did you not sleep?
My dog was barking all night. I need a big cup of coffee right now.
The coffee machine is very slow today. You have to wait.
I can wait. Are you very busy today?
Yes, I am. I have 3 big meetings with the new clients.
That is a lot of meetings. You are a very busy project manager?
Yes, I am. What about you? Do you have a lot of work?
Yes. I have to call 10 new clients. Sales are slow this month.
You are a great sales representative. You will do fine.
Thank you, Alex. I hope so. I need to sell more products. By the way, I read the news on the Wall Street Journal today.
I did not read it. What is the news about?
The European Union wants to make a new law for office workers.
A new law? Is it about our work hours?
Yes, it is. They want a 4-day work week for everyone.
That sounds fantastic. I need more time to rest at home.
But there is a big problem. You lose 10% of your salary.
I understand. That is a very difficult decision to make.
Exactly. I do not want to lose 10% of my money.
But you get 1 extra day for your personal life.
I can use that day to sleep. But sleeping does not pay the rent.
That is true. Living costs are very high in 2026.
Everything is very expensive. Food, clothes, and transport cost a lot.
I understand. But health is also very important.
Yes, health is important. But I am a sales representative.
How does the new law affect your sales?
I need 5 days to sell products. My clients work 5 days.
That makes sense. Your job depends on the time you talk to clients.
If I work 4 days, I call fewer people. I sell less.
As a project manager, I think differently. We can work faster.
Maybe you can work faster. But clients do not buy things faster.
You have a good point. We need to organize our time better.
I prefer my full salary. I want to buy a new car this year.
A new car is expensive. You definitely need your 100% salary.
Yes, I hope they do not pass that law.
We will see what happens. It is just a proposal right now. Changing the subject, I read a very interesting article on CNN this morning.
Really? Tell me about it. Is it good news?
Not really. It is about a new technology for video calls.
I use video calls every day. What is the new technology?
It is an artificial intelligence program. It looks at your face during meetings.
It looks at my face? Why does it do that?
It reads your expressions. It tells your boss if you are paying attention.
That is terrible. I do not like that at all.
I agree with you. It feels like a big invasion of privacy.
Sometimes I look tired in meetings, but I am still listening.
Exactly. The computer does not understand human feelings.
If my boss uses this, I am in big trouble.
Why? Do you not pay attention in our meetings?
I do pay attention, but sometimes I look at my phone.
Why do you look at your phone?
I read work messages, or I check my emails.
The artificial intelligence will think you are distracted.
That is very unfair. I am a very good worker.
I know you are. As a project manager, I want my team to feel comfortable.
Yes, we are humans, not robots. We need to relax our eyes sometimes.
Trust is very important in an office. This technology breaks that trust.
I will put a picture of my face in front of the camera.
You cannot do that, David. The program is very smart.
Technology is moving too fast. I prefer the old days.
We have to adapt to new things, but we also need rules.
I completely agree. We need strong rules for privacy at work.
I hope our company never buys that software.
Please tell the boss it is a bad idea.
I will tell him. Do not worry. Did you see the news about music festivals on the Washington Post?
No, I did not. You know I love live music.
Yes, I know. Well, many big festivals are making a new rule.
What is the rule? Are tickets more expensive now?
No, ticket prices are the same. They are banning holograms.
Banning holograms? And what else?
They are also banning artificial intelligence voices.
Really? I saw a hologram concert 2 months ago.
Did you like it? The article says people are very angry about them.
It was okay, the lights were pretty, but it is not the same.
The festivals say live music must be 100% human.
I think that is a great idea. I pay money to see real people.
Yes. Artificial intelligence is changing culture too much.
If I want to hear a computer, I can stay at home.
Exactly. A live concert is about emotion and connection.
I want to see the singer sweat. I want to see them make mistakes.
Mistakes make the performance real. Perfection is very boring.
Do you like going to music festivals, Alex?
I prefer small concerts. Big festivals have too many people.
I love big festivals. The energy is amazing. I love the noise.
I like to sit down. I like to listen to the instruments quietly.
You are very calm. I like to jump and sing very loud.
We have very different personalities, David.
Yes, we do. But we both agree on the hologram rule.
True. Human art is very important for our society.
I agree. We need real singers and real musicians.
Are you going to a concert soon?
Yes. I am going to buy tickets for a real rock band tonight.
That sounds like a great plan. I hope you have fun.
Well, my coffee is finally ready.
Mine too. It smells very good today.
Yes, it does. I need this energy to make my 10 phone calls.
Good luck with your sales, David. I hope you find many new clients.
Thank you very much. Good luck with your 3 big meetings.
Thank you. I have to go to my desk now. I need to prepare my notes.
Have a good day, Alex. See you later.
See you later, David. Have a great day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.